At the Mandalay Bay right now, hotel and casino. We rode the tram from the Excalibur past the Luxor Hotel and Casino, and we just entered the Mandalay Bay Hotel. We're gonna check out an aquarium here, Shark Reef Aquarium, and see what Mandalay Bay has to offer. So let's check it out. Compared to the Bellagio, you could see here that the Mandalay Bay is much darker inside their casino. We went through the Bellagio, the Wynn, the Venetian, the Encore, and it's so much brighter walking through. In here, inside the Mandalay Bay, also inside the Excalibur, it's so dark. We are heading to the Shark Reef Aquarium right now to check it out. We have a couple of passes that we got on My Vegas. Once again, I do recommend you guys downloading that. You could get a lot of free stuff on there. Check that out, guys. We are at the Shark Reef Aquarium right now inside the Mandalay Bay Hotel. We're gonna check that out as a family. So we got 2 tickets. I believe my daughter is free because she's under 2 years old. Should be a fun experience. Good family experience if you're here in Vegas. Let's check it out. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Let's see what these sea creatures look like. Here's what it looks like when you walk in. We're gonna take the elevators up as we have a stroller. How was the Shark Reef Aquarium?
It was good. I like the style of it. They seem to put a lot of effort into like the surrounding area, which was cool. It is quite small though. It's definitely much smaller than a lot of aquariums we've been to, like maybe a third of the size. So keep that in mind when you're coming here. Still definitely worth coming to, I think, if you have kids who love animals.
These are the hours for the Shark Reef Aquarium. It's open daily from 10 a.m. till 8 p.m. The Shark Reef Aquarium is located right at the edge of the Mandalay Bay Hotel and Casino. It's right beside their food court, which is right in front of me. You can see right here, you have the Mandalay Bay food court, and then right beside that is the Shark Reef Aquarium. That is pretty much it on our trip here at the Mandalay Bay. We primarily came here to see the Shark Reef Aquarium, which we just visited. It was $29 per person. However, we did get our tickets for free because we are a part of the My Vegas Rewards program. So definitely check that out if you do intend to come to Vegas with kids and you want to check out the Shark Reef Aquarium. Great experience. We saw a lot of sharks, a lot of fishes, a lot of sea creatures. It was smaller than our visit to Sea Life in Orlando, but it was still pretty good. Definitely recommend coming here to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you watching, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Peace out from the Mandalay Bay Shark Reef Aquarium.